Welcome to Submitting New Market Recovery Project Request tutorial for the Pacific Regional Council of Carpenters Market Recovery Program. To get started, let's log into the system and click the green plus icon to create a new market recovery request. The first thing we need to do is specify the location of the project and see if the project already exists in the system. We can do this by dropping a pin on the map where the project is located, or by using an address search. When we do this, we can see a pin on the map with a radius. If the project is in the radius of the pin, we can check to see if it's the same project that we are about to enter in. We can also see available projects in the list below the map. If one of these is the project that we want, then we can just select this project and skip the data entry portion for the project. If not, then we need to specify our new project address or use the suggested address provided from the map. We would also need to specify the project name and the project type. Once complete, we click Next. Here, we enter the project owner and bidding information about the project. Once we're done entering in all the information, we click Next. Now we will enter in the scopes of work and the number of hours for each scope. First, we click the Add Scope button. Then select our scope and input the hours. If we need to add additional scopes, we can click the Add Scope button again to add them additional scopes. Once complete, click Next. Now we need to select all the union and non-union bidders on this project. First, we search for the name of our contractor. Then we can select them from the results. If the contractor in the results is union, they will show up as green, and non-union contractors will show up as red. Once we've selected our contractor, we can click Confirm, and at this point we can repeat the process to select another. If we are bidding to a contractor, we can click the Bidding to checkbox to specify that these are the contractors that we will be bidding to. Once complete, we click Next. Here we can do a review of our market recovery submission. If we need to edit any of the items, we can click on the corresponding section to go back and make an adjustment. Once we are finished with doing our review, we can click Finish to submit this project. Now our project appears on the dashboard, and we can view the details of the project we submitted by clicking the Details icon. Thank you for watching our tutorial on submitting new projects. For more information on using the Market Recovery Program, be sure to check out our other videos.